Mr. Jones, here you go.
Thank you.
All right, you gotta understand, man. I mean, if you're riding around town with no front tag, you're gonna get stopped. More likely 9 times out of 10. Okay.
I mean, I guess so. I see cars driving around without them though all the time, and so.
And I'll stop though. I'll stop them. But it's just a matter of whether or not we can get to the car. I'm not gonna hold you up too long.
It's cool.
But you know, I understand your frustration. The area you live in is not such a good area down here. So when people have violations, you know, we stop just to make sure everything's good.
Hold up, man. Who laced the weed? I can barely stand. Probably go out get the jugging. Unless you got a better plan. Step back and let that boy cook. Whip with the left hand. L.I.N.S. little boy. Grew up to be a clever man. T-R-I-F-L-I-N. T-R-I-F-L-I-N. Hold up, man. Who laced the weed? I can barely stand. Probably go out get the jugging. Unless you got a better plan. Step back and let that boy cook. Whip with the left hand. L.I.N.S. little boy. Grew up to be a clever man. Look at me, mama, I'm glowing. I'm shining like a diamond. A king of diamonds. Come away and all you see is diamonds. Probably go blind when you up by him. Take a picture of a nigga, I'm shining. Take a picture of a nigga, I ain't lying. Catch a nigga with the chicken, I'ma fry him. Petey like a Petey, probably hit the lotto. Petey, let him pop a lotto. Sweet Petey, he the life of the party. Where Petey? Petey probably try to finger pop a model, nigga. Petey probably all Google, try to find a pair of goggles, nigga. I hit the block on your ass, I ain't thirsty for a bottle, nigga. I get paid, little bitch. Stay paid, little bitch. I get paid, little bitch. Stay paid, little bitch. I get paid, little bitch. Smoke weed high every day, little bitch. Hold up, man, who laced the weed? I can barely stand. Probably go out get the jugging. Unless you got a better plan. Step back and let that boy cook. Whip with the left hand. L.I.N.S. little boy. Would it be a clever man? T-R-I-F-L-I-N. I get paid, little bitch. Stay paid, little bitch. I get paid, little bitch. T-R-I-F-L-I-N. I get paid, little bitch. Wait a sec, who spiked the punch? Gotta be seeing double. And who got a bottle of Advil? Cause I need a couple. Speeding, we blew by the cops. Oh no, we in trouble. Get out of line and get put into place. Put into place like a piece of puzzle. Petey, I get on. Like a flamingo. Got my weed from San Domingo. Got me crossed out like Debo. Nigga gon' hate on the Lilo. I won't say sorry, your feet down. Why you wine?